Bam Bam, and welcome to our channel,
Real Life with Jessica Alba.
Alrighty, so we want you guys to follow us along so you can see how we went on our Marshall / TJ Maxx haul. We went and got a bunch of cool little, probably things that we didn't need, but we wanted to share with you guys. We're going to tell you what we liked, what we didn't like, and you'll see all the fun in between.
Yes.
So,
Stay
if you're going
tuned,
to watch, keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so we're back. I'm going to show you, actually, and I even have it on right now. So, my first thing, which technically I told Alba about it, and she was like, okay, I stole it, and I got it. So, we love high-end.
Yes, most definitely.
For sure. Like, that's our go-to. But in the same token, we feel like there's a lot of drugstore brands that their products are thebomb.com. So we wanted to show you those and also just share those with you. So we needed a primer. We wanted a different primer. So we picked up the E.L.F. Poreless face primer. I'll tell you my review on it, and then Alba can give you her 2 cents. I literally just put it on right now, and my face does not look the best. It's okay. I will say what I did find out, I'm going to see how it wears, but what I did feel is it is very oily. I'm not sure if it's going to be the best. We'll see how it does within the next couple of hours if my makeup feels like it's creasing. This was $2.99, and it technically, however, you only need very little, because if you put too much, it's gonna be, it's not very tacky. It was a so-so. Alba?
But that's because she put a very lightweight foundation on. When I tried it on, I put something very full coverage on, and when I put it on, the makeup started sliding. Like when I put it on, I always wait a few minutes anyway. I don't put it right on like she does. I let it dry. And it still was like sliding my makeup. Maybe I put too much on. Maybe I didn't. I don't like it.
It is not approved.
Not saucy enough for me.
So, that's that.
Yes.
Second thing. This I absolutely loved. I do not have it on right now. I have a different lipstick on. The Kat Von D, and it's in Hellbent is the color. We got a couple of shades, but this was my favorite. I love a true red, and
it's such a fall color.
It is such a deep fall color. So I'll show you that swatch, and it looks deeper on. It looks deeper on. Yes, definitely deeper. I think I have like a lot of lotion on right there, but I love that color. It wore pretty well. I wish I would have had a lip liner to match. I didn't. I just put it on that day.
The formula
The formula is thebomb.com. So the formula I absolutely loved because it is creamy and it doesn't dry at all.
But it is matte though. It was kind of very matte.
But it is very matte, and it dries really, really matte.
You can tell in her hand how matte it is.
Yeah. But it's not cracky, which is something that I absolutely hate with a lot of mattes. So this was thebomb.com. That was in Hellbent. Alba actually found this one. And she loves this one because it's...
I love deep... I'm a little lighter skinned, so I love deep colors on me.
And this is Cathedral. It's a really pretty color. So those are
we got some more. I just don't know where they're at. In the store.
Definitely approved. Yes. Love, love, love.
They were $6.99.
$6.99, and they are very saucy.
Next thing we got, or that I got, that she did not, and she regrets...
I'm mad
is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette. Amazing.
Awesome.
So it has 3 light shades, 3 dark shades in order. Levitation, Lyric, Insid. Is that what it says?
Insid, yeah.
I don't know what that means. Subconscious, Shadow Play, and Sombre. Now, I usually... don't do a lot of powder contour because I have dry skin. I have it on right now. I actually did liquid. What is this? Let's do a little close up. I did a liquid bronzer and a liquid contour, and then I set it with this. And it's amazing. I freaking love it. Not the highlight though, that's separate. That was a different highlight. But I did my whole face with this, no foundation on. I think it looks pretty damn good to me.
Yes.
So, too much sauce. I loved it. And $19.99.
Oh yeah.
We've looked for it. I bought it. She was mad, like I said, she didn't buy it. We've gone to every Marshall's in our area, every TJ Maxx, and she cannot find it. So
and there was a few, right?
If you find it, pick it up.
It's amazing, dude. I love it.
Now, Marc Jacobs. Which one is this one? The Marvelous Mousse. They say it's full coverage foundation. I have to disagree. I got the shade Beige Light, and it's really light. I'm pretty light skinned, and it's too light for me. We didn't test it out. I just picked it up. A little too light, but I don't feel like it's full coverage. Like, I really, really, really don't.
She didn't like the consistency.
Like, look at that. Like, I put a shitload on, and look at that. It's like blended into my skin, right? Like, I feel like it's not full coverage. Like,
she feels like she has to keep on putting more and more and more.
You see me do it? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. I tried it one time. I didn't like it. I'm gonna try it again. But, I mean, it just seems like it's very light coverage. And so that means
Marc Jacobs.
Not saucy enough. It was $12.99. Save your $12.99. That's the way I feel about it. I bought, and it was only $5.99, this Muti Tasker 8-in-1 Miracle Cream. Oh, can y'all see that? Yes, yes, yes. I love it. My husband has, I've only had this for like 3 days, and my husband is using it now. He called me the other day on FaceTime, and he's like, babe, your makeup looks flawless. I wasn't even wearing any makeup. But he's like, what? You look so like glowy. This stuff right here, like it has a name on that side. This stuff right here is amazing. Love it, love it, love it. One more thing. I don't know if it's working yet.
This is hilarious.
So we were looking for like new moisturizers and facial creams. And I was trying to like read her what was available. And then one of them said prevents neck sagging. And I started like freaking out, like, is that what I have to look forward to? So that made me buy a $19.99 freaking neck cream. What's the brand? StriVectin? Never heard of it, but we went to Dillard's the other day and they had it in the section next to the Smashbox stuff. So I'm guessing it's pretty good. You don't get a lot of product though. 1.4 fluid ounces. I was expecting more. It's like a little container inside of there. It's not like full.
Is it really thick?
It's thick. Now, I've been using it for like 3-4 days, but I really do. I don't know if it's like the placebo effect. I feel a little bit skinnier right here. I'm not sure. It says to use it for a few weeks. I think the box says to use it in like 3-4 weeks you would see results. It's been 3 days. I always feel like I feel skinnier, so I don't know, but I loved it too. Skinny in a bottle for $20. I don't want to have turkey neck, saggy neck. Oh, that scares me.
She literally flipped out. Is this
who puts that in a box? Prevents neck sagging. That's what it literally said. We're getting old, guys, and we need to keep our skin like this tight. Or
true story.
Botox.
Why? Oh, one of our next videos will be a skin regimen because, yeah.
But we're still trying to perfect the skin regimen.
We're trying to perfect the skin regimen and kind of see what, we hate to say that like we really, 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 really need it. But
we really, really, really need it.
Alright guys, so that is our TJ Maxx and our Marshalls haul. So maybe do a video later and
look at this, guys. She wants to say hello.
Hello.
This is Cocoa Puffs, guys. She don't need no creams or nothing.
Oh,
she is just gorgeous.
Stop the madness. So we will come back and let you guys know how, maybe with a follow-up of how she liked this.
Yes, check back in another 3 weeks.
But other than that, that is about it for our haul. We hope that you come back and watch us. And make sure that you subscribe. And if you subscribe to our channel, click the little bell so you get every notification.
And you put something that says subscribe. You know how to do that kind of stuff, yes or no?
Yes.
So press this button.
Make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss any videos that we keep on uploading for you guys. And until the next one, thanks for watching.